I would like to share with you something that is very alive in me that has been arriving this week in preparing for the workshop. So, what if we could participate in updating the story of who we know ourselves to be? The answer that we give to who we are is what shapes we live in. What if we allowed the answer to who we are to be based on the new current findings of science and the ancient wisdom of spirituality? And what if that new story could begin to shape a different world? Let me explain just a little bit. So, our current civilization is shaped by a scientific understanding that describes who we are as a species that evolved based on survival of the fittest, which means that we created a world where we feel that we have to compete to survive, where we have to struggle and we have to prove our success. And this science tells us that our world is only what we can see with the eye, okay? And that our bodies are like machines and the parts can be fixed. And this creates a world where we feel like we're separated from nature and disconnected from other life. But the new science is finding that these things are not true. The new science is telling us that these bodies are made of only a small part of what we see, the matter, and a vast amount of space or energy. That essentially we are energy bodies vibrating in a field where we're all connected. And this science is pointing us to like amazing new understandings of the power of the heart and the mini brains that live in different parts of the body. This science is speaking the same language as spirituality, and together they offer a different way of relating to life. So what if in this moment we are like a part of a transformation that is allowing this new story to form and inform how we move? So there's a key word in that last sentence, and that is allow. Can we allow these shifts to happen? Can we allow things to change? Can we let go of the old that is keeping us limited and make space for this new that brings harmony and peace and a new civilization? This key ingredient of allowing is where we'll focus our attention today, okay? The way that the orientation of allowing can support transformation. So in the map of Azul, there's 4 orientations, okay, that help us, that guide our navigation and keep us aligned with the current of life and what it's asking of us, okay? These orientations are listening, allowing, opening, and moving towards. And each of them support us and invite us in a particular way, okay? So if we highlight the listening, we are supported to encounter what is true for us from a deeper place inside that's connected to the body and its intelligence, where we're able to hear the guidance of our heart. And if we highlight the allowing, we are supported to accept what is happening inside of us and around us, and to allow passage for what wants to move through us. And in this way, we're active participants. And if we highlight the opening, we're supported to restore this system to its natural receptive state, to be available to this new that is coming. And if we highlight the moving towards, we're supported to meet what it is that is rising in our experience.